Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to send an email. If you just start sending emails, first thing you want to do is hit compose. Then you want to just type in the email address that you want to send this to. Then you want to put it in the subject. Then in the body, you just want to put your message. You want to hit send. And that will be how you send an email. You just open the email up, and that is that.